hello. Welcome to the Serene Disciple Project at Eagle Isle Farm. It's been quite a while since I've last put a video out, and I apologize for that. This has been an extremely busy fall for me. As many of you know, I'm a full-time student working on a master's degree in professional counseling, while at the same time working full-time in a wonderful job that I started last August, while at the same time keeping all of the plates spinning around here, Eagle Isle Farm. And then in the middle of all of that, I had reconstructive shoulder surgery, which required me to surrender my right arm for about 6 weeks. The surgery was the product of injuries received during my little adventure in roadside law enforcement described in the video Could Have Been Me. I'll put the link to that video and part 2 of that video in the description below. So today, Mr. Turkey and I thought we would just walk you around the farm a little bit and show you what's been going on this fall. You want to do that? All right, come along. Me and Mr. Turkey, we'll take you. It has been extremely dry on the farm this fall. The pond is as low as I have ever seen it. The hunger stones are definitely showing on the island. I'll put that link in the description below as well. As you can see from these aerial images of the farm, everything is sort of a Serengeti brown. We're really hoping for more rain. I got a drone, by the way, for my birthday, as you might be able to tell. I found an old plow on the property years ago and used it as ornamental art for a while before realizing I could probably plow with it. Here we are getting ready the area that will be about half an acre of wildflowers. With the help of my neighbor Shane, we cut and baled hay for the first time this year. With the main garden finished for the year, we did buy some good garden dirt and plant raised beds up closer to the house. Why, there's Farmer Kay. What are you doing, Farmer Kay? What is that device you have there?
I have a seating square, which is a nifty little product that I have never used before, but it is based on square foot gardening principles, where you plant intensely in a 1 square foot area.
Kay's gardening skills extend to the herb garden inside as well. Now, of course, with a fall garden, when it gets frosty, you gotta cover it. The bird feeders are up for the winter, and our winter population of bird species is now here. And as you can see, the ducks have figured out where to find a free meal. The French Marin chicks, or black marins, that looked like this last spring have all grown up, and all of the chickens that we started last spring are now in full production. What I like about the black marins is that they're producing these nice, deep, kind of chocolate milk colored eggs. You can tell the difference compared to the regular brown eggs that the production reds and the production blues are laying. So we are getting about 8 to 10 eggs every day just now. Well, that's about it for now. I hope to publish videos more regularly. So be looking for them, and then let me know what you've been up to this fall in the comments below. See you next time. Are you cold? I think you're cold.